Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a beautiful home in Brentwood listed for $23.5 million. This is one of the biggest backyards I've seen in a long time, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. It nearly sits on 2 acres of manicured park-like grounds, and it is beautiful. It has a waterfall, a clay tennis court, 2 pools, and also a little pond area that's pretty cool. This 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom estate is situated on a pristine corner lot in coveted Mandeville Canyon. Mandeville Canyon is a small community in Brentwood. This area is known to be one of the wealthiest areas in Los Angeles. Brentwood is a quiet, upscale neighborhood on the west side. Is east of Westwood and north of Mid-City and Santa Monica. And there are many celebrities who have lived in this neighborhood. LeBron James, Sidney Crawford, Marilyn Monroe are just to name a few. If you want us to do a neighborhood overview on Brentwood, let us know in the comment section below. This home belongs to the famous fashion designer Alan Schwartz. He bought this home over 41 years ago. The home itself is very beautiful and has a lot of charm. Everything is vintage. Every part of this backyard creates a different experience. I want you guys to see how massive this backyard is. It's very unique to have this amount of property in Los Angeles. This is on nearly 2 acres of land. If this was your property and you had this much land, what would you do? Would you subdivide, remodel, rebuild, or redecorate? Or would you just keep it just the way it is? Let us know down in the comment section below. When Alan first put in this court, he switched it from hard court to clay because he said it was more easier and fun on the body. Then 9 years ago, he brought in a real Italian grounded brick red clay. It's just like the French Open. How cool is this? I must say this property is truly one of a kind. If you're interested in this property, make sure you reach out to us at info@luxuryhousesearch.com and we could schedule a private showing for you. We specialize in luxury real estate here in Los Angeles. Our resources and network allow us to find exclusive listings as well as off-market properties in the most desirable areas. throughout Los Angeles. If you're looking to move, we'd love to have the opportunity to help you find your dream home. Visit us today at luxuryhousesearch.com. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we will see you in our next one.